Have you ever dreamed of walking the same streets as movie stars, feeling the Pacific breeze as the sun sets over an iconic pier, and experiencing firsthand the magic of Hollywood? Welcome to Quantum Passport. Today we travel to Los Angeles, the second largest city in the United States, a multicultural giant located on the West Coast, in Southern California, on the shores of the Pacific Ocean. With a Mediterranean climate of blue skies and temperatures around 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit most of the year, it is a perfect destination in any season. Here people mainly speak English, although Spanish is almost a second language thanks to the large Latino community. The official currency is the US dollar, and the city has about 4 million inhabitants, but its metropolitan area exceeds 18 million, and each year, it receives more than 50 million tourists from all over the world. The city is organized into unique areas, each with its own style and personality. Downtown LA, the city's urban center, where modern skyscrapers, history, and culture coexist in one place. Hollywood, the world symbol of cinema, with its Walk of Fame, legendary studios, and the famous hillside sign. Santa Monica and Venice Beach, iconic beaches with a vibrant atmosphere, between the classic pier and the bohemian spirit of the coast. Beverly Hills, synonymous with luxury, celebrity mansions, and the exclusive shops of Rodeo Drive. Pasadena and surroundings, an area with Californian charm, marked by historic architecture and the famous Rose Parade. How to get to Los Angeles? Getting to the city is very easy, since it is one of the most important connection points in the world. Airplane. Los Angeles International Airport, LAX, receives flights from all continents. From Latin America, you can find round-trip tickets from $300 to $600, depending on the season. Train. Amtrak connects cities like San Diego, San Francisco, or even Chicago. The price can vary between $30 and $150, depending on the route. Bus. Companies like Greyhound offer affordable options to arrive from other U.S. cities, with tickets from $20. Metro. From different cities in California, you can connect with Los Angeles's transport network, a practical option to reach the city. Sea. Although less common, some cruises arrive at the port of Los Angeles, especially from Mexico or Hawaii. Where to stay? The city offers accommodation for all budgets. Here are some options. Low budget, from $30 to $70 per night. Hostels and motels in areas like Hollywood or Venice Beach are an ideal option to be close to the action, meet other travelers, and save on lodging. Medium budget, from $120 to $250 per night. In areas like Santa Monica, West Hollywood, or downtown you will find boutique hotels and well-known chains, with good locations and all the comforts. An excellent value for money. High budget, from $400 per night. To live like a star, nothing better than Beverly Hills or Bel Air, with iconic hotels like the Beverly Hills Hotel and first-class service. In Santa Monica and Malibu, you will also find luxury resorts with spectacular ocean views. Transport in the city. Los Angeles is huge, so choosing the right transport is key. Metro. The system combines underground metro and light rail, with rides from $1.75. It's an economical option and connects key points like downtown, Hollywood, Pasadena, Long Beach, and even Santa Monica. Buses. The bus network is extensive and reaches almost everywhere for the same price as the metro. Ideal to explore neighborhoods in depth. Renting a car. The most popular option, giving you total freedom. But get ready for traffic and parking costs. Ride-sharing platforms. Comfortable and efficient for medium distances. Costs vary a lot, but a short average ride can range between $15 to $30. Bicycles and electric scooters. A practical alternative for short distances. They are common in central and tourist areas like downtown, Santa Monica, or Venice Beach, from $5 per hour. Places to visit. You have little time and a lot to see. Here are some places you can't miss. The Walk of Fame and TCL Chinese Theater and Dolby Theater. This is Hollywood at its purest. Walk over more than 2,600 celebrity stars and put your hands on the prints of movie legends in front of the iconic Chinese theater. Close by is the Dolby Theater, home of the Oscars. The tour costs $25. Santa Monica Pier and Venice Beach. The famous Route 66 ends at Santa Monica Pier, with its amusement park over the sea. Then, walk or ride to nearby Venice Beach, a show of street performers, skaters, and a unique bohemian vibe. Griffith Observatory. The best panoramic views of the city and the Hollywood sign await you here. Plus, entry to the building and main exhibits is free. A magical place, especially at sunset. The Getty Center, a paradise for lovers of art and architecture. This impressive museum, designed by Richard Meyer, houses everything from European art to contemporary photography, all surrounded by spectacular gardens. Entry is free. You only pay for parking. Rodeo Drive. Want to feel luxury? Stroll down this famous street in Beverly Hills. Even if you don't buy anything, seeing the shop windows of the world's most exclusive brands and the flawless architecture is a whole experience. Universal Studios Hollywood, a unique theme park that mixes attractions from iconic movies with a tour through real film studios. Tickets start from $120. Gastronomy. The gastronomy of LA is a reflection of its diversity. Here, food trucks are temples and fusion is the rule. Let's taste. Tacos. Forget everything you know. Thanks to its huge Mexican population, LA has some of the most authentic and delicious tacos outside of Mexico. Look for the Tacos al Pastor trucks. In-N-Out Burger. You can't leave California without trying this cult burger. A simple menu, fresh ingredients, and a legendary taste. Ask for your burger animal style from the secret menu. California Roll. Did you know this famous sushi roll was invented here? A delicious introduction to sushi for beginners, with avocado, crab, and cucumber. Avocado Toast. California's healthy obsession. A simple toast with mashed avocado that here is elevated to art with endless variations. Randy's Donuts. You'll recognize its store by the giant donut on the roof. A pop culture icon and, most importantly, its donuts are spectacular. Shows and cultural life. When the sun goes down, LA lights up with an endless cultural offer. A concert at the Hollywood Bowl. This open-air amphitheater is a legend. Enjoying a concert under the stars here is unforgettable. Prices vary greatly, from $30 for distant seats to hundreds of dollars. Visiting LACMA, Los Angeles County Museum of Art, famous for its urban light installation. The Street Lamps. It is the largest art museum in the western U.S. Its collection is vast. General admission costs about $25. A musical at the Pantages Theater. If you love Broadway, this historic theater in the heart of Hollywood offers the best touring productions. The opulence of the place will transport you to another era. Tickets usually start at about $50. Relevant sports sites. LA is also a city of champions. Here are 3 of its sports temples. Crypto.com Arena, formerly Staples Center, one of the most famous sports and entertainment venues in the world. Home of the Lakers and Clippers of the NBA, as well as the Kings of the NHL. It has hosted historic finals and world-class concerts. Dodger Stadium, one of the oldest and most beautiful baseball stadiums in the country. Watching a Dodgers game here, with views of the mountains, is a Californian tradition. SoFi Stadium, an ultra-modern architectural marvel, home to the Rams and Chargers of the NFL. It hosted Super Bowl 56 and is a must-visit for sports and architecture fans. Hollywood Studio Tours. Visiting Los Angeles wouldn't be complete without a tour of the legendary film studios. Warner Brothers Studio Tour. An experience to discover behind the scenes of Hollywood. You can walk through iconic sets from series and movies like Friends or Harry Potter, and see how major productions are created. Entry starts from $70. Universal Studios Tour. Included with the park entrance, this tram ride takes you through iconic Hollywood sets and stages, mixing attractions with the real magic of cinema. General admission starts from $120. Paramount Pictures Studio Tour. The oldest Hollywood studio still operating. It offers a more intimate experience, with small group tours that allow you to discover the history of cinema up close. Tickets from $60. These are experiences that make you feel inside a movie and are a must for movie lovers. Los Angeles was founded in 1781 by Spanish settlers with the very long name El Pueblo de Nuestra Señora la Reina de Los Angeles del Rio de Porciúncula. It later became part of Mexico and finally of the United States in 1848. Its real growth exploded at the end of the 19th century with the discovery of oil, turning it into a magnet of wealth and opportunities. Shortly after, the emerging film industry moved from the East Coast seeking California's sunshine, forever sealing its destiny as the world capital of entertainment. And here goes a fun fact. Did you know that the iconic Hollywood sign originally said Hollywoodland and was a temporary real estate advertisement? It was installed in 1923 and was supposed to last only a year and a half. Look at it now, turned into a worldwide symbol. And so, among stars, beaches, and fulfilled dreams, our trip through Los Angeles comes to an end. A city you have to live to truly understand. If you liked this video, give it a like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what your favorite corner of Los Angeles is. Did we miss one? Let us know in the comments. See you at the next destination on Quantum Passport. And as they say here in California,
have a nice trip.